Coleman Greig is evolving, we're growing, and having a really good office space is really important. Part of our move in Parramatta is very much along those lines in terms of evolution growth.
We have outgrown our premises at 100 George Street, and we're in the fortunate position where we get to move next door to 32 Smith Street, where it will well and truly serve our growing needs.
It's not just about the here and now, it's about saying to our employees, we value you, we want to ensure that you are here for the long term, and as a result of that, we want to invest. We are looking to the future.
Axiom have been in the picture since the beginning. We gave them quite a broad brief and trusted the Axiom guys to come back to us with something to get the right layout and floor plan, to get the right furniture, the right colour scheme. We've just worked hand in glove the whole way.
I believe the interpretation of the office has really come about in a fresh, mature, earthy way. So it still celebrates the heritage that Coleman Greig has within the Parramatta precinct, and it does it in a more contemporary fashion.
At the start I was like, do we need to move? Because what we've got here is still really good. The more I've seen the plans, the more I've seen what it's going to look like and how we're going to be represented in the community, the more excited I've become.
New move has been exciting. My expectations have definitely been exceeded. The natural light is actually wonderful.
This space is very much Coleman Greig in 2021.
Watching people absorb the space and take it in for the first time and really enjoy it day to day reminds us why we set out to do this.
For me personally, the biggest thrill of it all is going back and watching people within the office. But a happy, engaged workforce, that's the biggest thrill for us at Axiom, is to really see our work being effective.
The details are great. They make the space what it is. You know, the small things like the plants and the colours and all the little things that you don't necessarily think about when you look at the big project. They really bring it together beautifully.
The workspace is definitely bespoke. It is functional, it's quite different for law. The takeaway for me working with Axiom was that Axiom listened to us, understood us, really invested in the relationship that Axiom has with Coleman Greig.
I think the quality of the fit out and the design of our new premises at 32 Smith is a really good representation of Coleman Greig's brand. That we are striving to deliver quality outcomes to clients, and I think the move to this great new premises mirrors what Coleman Greig is trying to do: build the practice, build the brand, and be Greater Sydney's premier law firm.
Definitely a place that we're really proud to bring our clients. I've actually had experiences where clients have just gone, wow, what a wonderful space this is. Axiom have definitely nailed the brief. For lawyers who are super conservative, to see what Axiom have done for us is just wonderful. It positions us in the market as being a firm who is looking to the future for bigger and better things.